All right, we need to move our chicken coop. We're trying to get some yard work done and it's in the way, so we're going to show you how we move it. We did build it so that it would be portable on purpose, so that we can move it around, and I don't know, it just gives you more options for where you want the chickens to clear. There's a dog. Where you want the chickens to clear around the garden and wherever else. So we'll show you how we move it. Sure. What are you doing, Reagan?
I'm checking for eggs.
Yeah, how many are there?
6.
6 eggs? All right. We use shredded paper in there because that's free. All right. Okay, Lincoln, what are we going to put under there?
The dolly.
So the dolly goes under there. Not quite like that. We lay the dolly down flat and we'll spin it around and push the handle part will go toward that end. And then we'll use these handles those are also the roosts on the inside of the coop. So we'll use those to lift it up on top of the dolly kind of, and then we push it, and we're gonna push it all the way down there kind of by the greenhouse on the other end of the garden. There's quite a few weeds on that side that have kind of gotten out of control, so we'll get the chickens working on those. The roof we'll take off just because it's just weight. So we built that to be removed, and then that also is nice for when we clean it out, and we have this door that opens when we clean as well. All right, we'll do that, and then we'll get our chicken tunnel hooked back up to it. We're eventually going to build some, or put some wheels on that chicken coop. We just haven't done it yet. I did pick some up from Harbor Freight for like $7 a piece or something like that. I think they're 8-inch wheels. Anyways, they'll work great for that, but I just haven't had time to build a good axle to put them on. All right, so we'll show you how we do it. Okay, we're done with that part. Now we're gonna get the chicken tunnel. You can see it right there under the fence. We're gonna get that moved over to the other side of the garden so the chickens can eat over there. Anyways, so we'll start getting that moved.
One time I did by myself, I got chicken manure in my eye.
Again, what you doing?
Working the tunnel.
The chicken tunnel?
Yeah, to run.
Yep.
See? They're right here.
Lincoln, I want it to go along the fence. Okay, we've got it all put together. I'll show you what it looks like now, and now the kids are catching the chickens. You getting them? Mm-hmm. Reagan, did you catch that one all by yourself?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Grant, good job. Okay, getting them put back in. We need to put the roof back on. Jackson and Lincoln, will you grab the roof? The roof for the chicken coop? Okay, so we've got this kind of bigger square one that we use for the chickens as they immediately come out of the coop. I'll show you kind of what that looks like. That's their little automatic door. This one was, oh, I scared it away, I guess. It was eating on some of that dandelion leaves. Anyways, so we've got it coming out, little curve so they don't eat my zucchini and the yellow squash. And then we've got them running down the fence for right now. That's one of our favorite spots to put them just because it's on the edge of the garden and it keeps the weed pressure down. All right, did you get it in there, Reagan? Are they eating from you? Will they eat it from your hand? You want to try?
Yeah, I took them.
Put it in your hand and see if they'll eat it out. Did they get it? Oh, good. Is that fun? They love to eat food. They're happy to be on a new spot with more greens to eat. You just herding that one down here, Harrison? That works, I guess. Nice. Reagan, out of the way and it'll go in. There it goes. Good job, guys.
Yeah, Lincoln's having the last one.
I know. We'll cover it back up like we do. That's fine. Uh-oh, one's escaping. Oh, we have an escaped chicken.
I can make it super.
Let's see. All right. You're doing it? You're funny.
They like their new spot.
Now they're figuring out where they can go. It's kind of heavy weeds, so it's like a jungle for them.
Seems to be walking over the jungle.
Yeah.
That's a funny chicken.
One chicken goes and then they all go.
They like the new spot.
They love it.
This one was already over here. Can I show something to the chicken?
What do you want to show?
This one I like.
You like that one? Why?
Because I like pet it every day because it's so soft. Because
Look at
it's
me.
only no color on it.
Oh,
On this back. It's only so straight.
that
Now
was the
this
softest one.
Yeah, and this so straight fur.
The feathers.
Dad, is
Yep.
this still working?
We've got a couple
No.
extra tunnel sections there that we didn't use, but
One more chicken!
we usually do. This time we didn't need them. Caught another one. Nice job, Grant.
I want to tell you something now.
We've been really happy with this chicken tunnel system. We built this last summer.
I want to tell you something.
What do you want to tell us?
So there's this dead chicken who was out here by the red Coop after,
Yeah.
after church, and it was outside. Something ate all the. It was all dead like this. I want to show you something, Dad.
Yeah, we lost a chicken last week. We're not really sure what killed it because it didn't have any blood or anything. It was just laying there dead, which is a bummer.
Dad, eventually they're gonna eat that.
Yeah, they might get our yellow squash over there. That's okay.
Guys, we have plenty more.
Yeah.
Dad.
What?
I want to ask the chicken.
You're gonna ask the chickens. What are you gonna ask them?
I love that chicken. Always.
The red one. You're a silly goose.
There's two chickens. How do you know which one's which? I can tell because they have tags on their feet.
Yeah. When we have chickens that look alike, we put a zip tie around their legs so we can tell which one's which.
I like the one with the blue one.
Yep.
I like that one. I like the one with the blue one.
I pet it every day.
You're a silly goose.
I like the one with the...
Well, thanks for getting the roof, guys. Can you get it on yourselves?
Finally, after the goose keep it forever because I told him wait to catch the chickens till later.
I'm gonna ask you.
Just put it on
What?
Can I hold it?
the job.
You want to hold it?
Yeah.
All right.
That's the wrong way. Easy. I don't know how to hold fence. So, We move it because they want to eat a lot of grass. Because they want to eat a lot because they like to eat alfalfa.
Alfalfa.
Yeah. And if they like them so much, that's good.
Yeah.
Right?
Lots of it, huh?
Yeah.
He's so happy.
She's so happy he had a new spot. I really did go a lot of grass and it likes the new spot.
Yep, they love it.
Yeah.
All right.
And I want
Our
to.
video, you guys.
No. Some of the chickens are gonna eat. Some are squeaky.
3,
And
go.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Good job, guys. Thanks for the enthusiasm.